Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Power on the tablet and keep it plugged in while you work. You must join Wi-Fi to download updates and apps, so connect now and confirm you have internet. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. This syncs settings and lets you install apps. Once done, set a secure PIN for quick access and enable device encryption if prompted. These steps get you ready to use Windows features and keep your data tied to your account from the start. You control a Windows tablet with touch gestures. Tap to select, swipe to scroll, pinch to zoom, try them in the Start menu and an app. Open Settings, then System to adjust display scaling, screen rotation, and tablet mode so icons and text fit your hands. To add functionality, use the Microsoft Store for safe apps. If you need alternate installers, make sure sources are trusted and permissions are reviewed. Once apps are installed, finish by securing and backing up your device so you won't lose work. Turn on Windows Update and install pending patches. These fix bugs and improve performance. Enable OneDrive to back up documents and photos automatically and confirm your recovery options are set. If something goes wrong, try a soft reset by holding power for 10 to 15 seconds. This resolves hangs without deleting data. If problems persist, make sure you can factory reset from settings or contact support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.